Cleaning my apartment. Hi. My name is Leo. Today, I cleaned my apartment. It was a lot of work, but now my home looks great. Let me tell you what I did. First, I started in the kitchen. I washed all the dirty dishes in the sink. I used soap and hot water. Then I dried the dishes and put them away. After that, I cleaned the table and the stove. There were some food stains, so I had to scrub hard. I also took out the trash. The kitchen smelled much better after that. Next, I went to the living room. I picked up clothes, books, and papers from the floor and the sofa. I put the books on the shelf and folded the clothes. I used the vacuum cleaner on the carpet. It made a loud noise, but it cleaned the floor very well. Then, I wiped the coffee table with a wet cloth. After the living room, I cleaned the bathroom. This was the hardest part. I used cleaning spray to clean the toilet, sink, and shower. I wore gloves because the bathroom was dirty. I also mopped the floor. It was wet, so I didn't go inside for a while. Then, I cleaned my bedroom. I made the bed and changed the sheets. I dusted the desk and the windowsill. I put my clothes into the closet and laundry basket. I also opened the window to let in some fresh air. At the end, I lit a candle. Now, my apartment smells nice and feels clean. I was tired, but I was also happy. Cleaning is hard work, but it's important. When my home is clean, I feel calm and relaxed. Now I can sit on my sofa, drink some tea, and watch a movie. I will try to clean my apartment every week so it doesn't get too messy.